Auto INSGHT Start welcomes you to another ultra-luxury and high-performance automotive journey where we explore exclusive builds, extreme supercars, and next-generation automotive engineering from around the world in a simple, engaging, and passionate way. Today we are diving into the breathtaking 2026 Ferrari Mansory Purosangue and SF90, two machines that represent the absolute peak of Italian performance blended with Mansory's bold design language and uncompromising luxury. The 2026 Ferrari Mansory Purosangue takes Ferrari's first-ever four-door performance SUV and transforms it into an aggressive, head-turning powerhouse. Under the hood, the Purosangue continues with its naturally aspirated V12 engine, producing around 715 horsepower, but Mansory enhances performance through EQ tuning, improved airflow systems, and a high-performance exhaust that delivers a deeper, more dominant sound. Acceleration remains supercar fast, with 0 to 100 km/h in just over 3 seconds, while all-wheel drive and advanced suspension tuning ensure maximum control at high speeds and on challenging roads. Visually, the Mansory Purosangue stands apart with a full carbon fiber body kit, including a redesigned front bumper, aggressive air intakes, sculpted hood, flared wheel arches, side skirts, and a rear diffuser that improves aerodynamic stability. Massive lightweight forged wheels complete the exterior, giving the SUV a commanding road presence. Inside, Mansory elevates luxury with handcrafted leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber trims, custom stitching, illuminated logos, and personalized color themes, turning the cabin into a private luxury lounge without sacrificing Ferrari's sporty DNA. Alongside the Purosangue, the 2026 Ferrari Mansory SF90 pushes hybrid supercar performance to extreme levels. The SF90 already features a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 combined with 3 electric motors, producing around 986 horsepower in stock form, but Mansory takes this further with performance upgrades that push total output well beyond 1,000 horsepower. This allows the SF90 to deliver mind-bending acceleration, reaching 100 km/h in under 2.5 seconds with incredible traction from its advanced all-wheel drive hybrid system. Aerodynamics are significantly enhanced with extensive use of exposed carbon fiber, including a sharper front splitter, redesigned air channels, aggressive side intakes, and a race-inspired rear wing that increases downforce at high speeds. The Mansory SF90 interior mirrors its extreme performance with a custom cockpit featuring premium leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber accents, bespoke seats, and personalized detailing that makes every drive feel exclusive and motorsport-inspired. Together, the 2026 Ferrari Mansory Purosangue and SF90 represent two different interpretations of extreme performance, one delivering luxury, practicality, and V12 emotion, and the other offering cutting-edge hybrid technology and hypercar-level speed. These machines showcase how Mansory redefines Ferrari's vision by adding bold styling, enhanced performance, and unmatched exclusivity for true automotive enthusiasts who want something beyond standard supercars. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Ferrari Mansory Purosangue and SF90, make sure to subscribe to Auto INSGHT Start for more exclusive supercars, future performance machines, and next-generation automotive stories, and don't forget to like, share, and turn on notifications so you never miss an exciting automotive journey. Car Fire Checkered Flag.